Trade with our demo account without losing money. A demo trading account lets you simulate a real trading environment using fake funds instead of actual money. People new to trading love using demo trading accounts to learn how to find trading opportunities and how to place trades. When you're finally ready to place your first trade in a live account, you will know exactly what to do. Demo accounts are also important to experienced traders. They use it to test trading theories, sharpen ineffective strategies, and test new ones. Traders also use the demo environment to try their hand at new markets. You can try IG's demo account for free by visiting ig.com and click on Create Demo Account.